Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Teresa, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. So like I said in my last video, that I'm doing a 30 days YouTube challenge. That is, I'm posting every day on YouTube, or I'll be posting every day on YouTube for 30 days. So today is day 2. This is the second video. I started yesterday with my previous video. So today I'll be talking about 5 things you must do before starting a YouTube channel. So if you are a YouTuber, or if you are considering starting up a YouTube channel, then this video is definitely for you. So like we know that YouTube is a great way or a great place to grow our community, or to build audience, or to build your brand, or to even expand your business, let people know more about what you do. So, and as a YouTuber, you have to know what works for you. You have to figure out what works for you. Then I'll be giving us 5 tips. Is it 5 tips? It's 5 actually. So the first thing is, what is your main goal for opening or starting a YouTube channel? Is it to grow your business? Is it to grow a brand? Is it to have an audience? You just have to know that before starting a channel. You have to know your main goal, what exactly you want to do on your channel. Then another thing is, who are you creating your content for? Who are your audience? You have to know those, your target audience, and you have to speak to them directly whenever you're doing your video. So that is the number 2. Who are you creating your content for? So you have to be specific. You have to know those people you're creating your videos or your content for. Then number 3 is, what are you going to be using for your camera, your lighting, your audio? So I know most times this serves as a big setback for most upcoming YouTubers, because they kind of feel discouraged because of their video qualities, that they want to wait till they get a camera and all those stuff. But the fact is that you can actually start with what you have. Now I'm sounding like a motivational speaker. You can start with what you have. You can start with your phone. Like me, I'm still filming my videos with my phone. So you can start with your phone. If you don't have a ring light yet, you can use a natural light, just like what I'm doing. I'm sitting in my room now and I'm facing my window because I don't have a ring light yet. So you can start with what you have. I don't even have a microphone yet. I just have to make sure I speak up very well so that you guys will be able to hear me. Okay, so the next thing is, what kind of videos do you want to create? Is it vlogging? Is it lifestyle? Is it chit chat, sit down videos? Is it to teach people? You just have to know the kind of videos you want to be doing on your channel. And then the last one is, how many videos am I going to be uploading? Is it once in a week? Is it twice? Is it 3 times? Is it 4 times? Is it every day? If you take YouTube as a full-time work, of course you can be posting every day. There is nothing there, because growing on YouTube, you have to be consistent. I know it's very, very hard, but the thing is, consistency is the key. Not only on YouTube, everything you're doing in life, consistency is the key. So guys, today, this is where we'll be stopping this video today. This is day 2, like I said earlier on. So please guys, support me by watching my videos. If you are a YouTuber with your community tab, please share my video on your community tab. I'll be very, very grateful, and I will appreciate that. So if you watch this video to this part and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please just click on the red subscribe button there, like and share this video, turn on the notification bell. That will notify you whenever I drop a new video. So till my next one guys, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye bye.